writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just thought.
Good morning, MHS. Your Worldly News. I'm Liam.
And I'm Mike, and this is your Worldly News. Students are interested in writing for the school newspaper next year. Please speak to Hannah Bishop or Olivia Dean. There will be an informational meeting in the near future.
Alright, so tomorrow, March 24th, there will be an informational meeting for any individual who is interested in cheerleading in the fall. Please see Miss Sharon or Miss Goodman with any questions.
There will be a Nursing Schools Expo at the University of Massachusetts Worcester Medical School in the lobby on Monday, April 4th from 4 o'clock to 7:30. If you are interested, you need to RSVP to the guidance office or UMass by March 31st.
Alright, there will be a trail construction session tomorrow, March 24th, after school for all Woolly Trail Association members. Please meet behind the school. All members are expected to be there.
The Student Advisory Council will meet after school on Thursday in room A209. New members are always welcome.
The National Junior Honor Society will be having a blanket drive to benefit New England All Breed Rescue. Donation boxes will be set up in the main office and the junior high office. We are looking for gently used or new blankets, towels, dry food, dog food, cat food, dog toys, or anything else you would think an animal shelter may need. Any questions, please contact Mr. Baldini in room E211. Thank you.
A reminder to junior high and high school staff, there will be a floral design night for Petals for Brittany on April 19th. This is to raise money for the annual scholarship in her name. Tickets must be purchased ahead of time. The event will be held at A&D Pizza from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Come to the high school main office for more information.
Alright, that's all the announcements for today. Mike, have you ever played cornhole before?
I have. It's actually pretty fun, not gonna lie.
Pretty good game, tailgate and
fun
stuff.
game.
There'll be a cornhole classic coming up, so Jake does a little bit of video on that.
He does.
So check that out.
Support Sean.